Hi, I'm Kathy and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a taste test that I'm going to do on the different types of yogurts. And I've been really enjoying yogurt every morning for breakfast, and I just figured out there was a lot of different kinds of yogurt. Did you know that? I mean, there's like a whole big section in the dairy section at the grocery store that has tons of different types of yogurt. So let's try this. The first, I chose 3, and actually I wanted a 4th one, but I couldn't find it at my grocery store, and that is oat milk yogurt. And I'll have to look for that one. I may have to go to a specialty store or a larger grocery store. But I did pick up Silk, it's almond milk. So it's almond milk yogurt, dairy-free, vanilla flavor. And I thought this was interesting, a Chobani coconut milk. And it's also a vanilla flavor. And then Faye, just total plain, non-fat, zero fat, plain yogurt. This is what I've been eating lately, a lot of, with just some fresh fruit and some granola and a little drizzle of honey, and it's just really a very healthy breakfast, and I love it. So let's try tasting the difference between them. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Faye, and before I do that, let's put on my little readers. It's a milk product, so it's got milk in it, and the ingredients is grade A pasteurized skim milk, live active yogurt cultures, some other things I can't pronounce. Okay, and contains naturally occurring milk sugar. And this whole container is 170 grams and it's 90 calories. So again, it's just plain, really no flavoring. Oh, cute, when you open it up, it says made from milk from non-GMO fed cows. Cool. So let's just taste. Oh, and don't forget, it has like a little film on it here. So make sure you lift that film up, otherwise you're going, ooh, what's wrong with the yogurt? You know, so it's like, blah. Anyways, and here we go. Nice and creamy, just that little bit of a tart flavor for yogurt. Great to mix things with. And so, yes, I love Faye. Now, next one, we'll try the Chobani coconut, and it says only natural ingredients, non-dairy treat, and it's vanilla blended. And on the ingredients, it says that it's cultured coconut blend, which is water, coconut, tapioca flour, xanthan gum, agar cultures, cane sugar, water, chicory root, interesting, lemon juice concentrate, fruit pectin, locust bean gum, and vanilla extract. All right, has a little bit more ingredients in here, and we'll just try this one. It's very smooth. It's very, it's a little more liquidy, I would say, but you know, like kind of not a thick pudding consistency, but a thin, whereas the Faye is very thick. But this is very good too. So what does it say about the calories? It's 170 calories for this one container, and the container is, oh, okay, enough. And the container is 150 grams. So we tried that one. Now let's go on to the Silk brand. and it's vanilla also, dairy-free yogurt alternative made with soy. And it is 140 calories for 150 grams. And 150 grams is 1 cup. And the ingredients are soy milk, filtered water, which is filtered water soybeans, cane sugar, cornstarch, pectin, tricalcium phosphate, citric acid, natural flavor, and some other kind of phosphate, sea salt, vanilla bean, live and active cultures, mixed tocopherols, and vitamin C ester to protect the freshness of the and vitamin D2, and of course it contains soy. So we're going to try this one. Seems like so far the Faye has like the less of various ingredients. Very good. The silk is a little thicker pudding consistency than the Chobani is. The flavor is very good. Because these have sugar in it and the Faye does not. So I like all three. As far as, you know, these are the coconut and the almond based yogurts are dairy free. So if you don't do milk or dairy products, these are a great option. As a small child, I never drank milk. I hated milk. And so I keep almond milk at home. But I like the coconut too. I'd like to try the oat milk one when I find it, hopefully. Sorry about the noise, the landscapers are working outside. And I do like the Faye, but I wish they made a non-dairy product. So I like both the silk almond yogurt and the Chobani coconut yogurt. So I guess I could take those off now. But yeah, this is what I love eating for breakfast, and it's a healthy breakfast with some natural granola. Check out the short video that I have on my channel showing me making a healthy breakfast using the yogurt. Thanks for visiting my kitchen today, and I'll see you later. Bye.